Hey there! Have you heard about Pi Network? It's a new cryptocurrency that's making waves in the digital currency space. In this video, we're going to talk about what Pi Network is, how it works, and why you should consider joining the community. Pi Network was founded in 2019 by a team of Stanford graduates who wanted to create a new cryptocurrency that was accessible to everyone. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that require expensive hardware and specialized knowledge, Pi Network is designed to be mined using your smartphone. Here's how it works: when you download the Pi Network app and create an account, you become a miner of the currency. You don't need to do anything except keep the app open on your phone to earn Pi coins. The more people who join the Pi Network, the harder it becomes to mine new coins, which helps keep the currency stable. Pi Network is designed to be a decentralized currency, which means that it's not controlled by any government or central authority. This makes it more secure and resistant to manipulation. One of the unique features of Pi Network is that it's built on a social network. You can invite friends and family to join the Pi Network, and you'll earn additional Pi coins for each person who signs up using your referral code. This creates a network effect that helps Pi Network grow and become more valuable over time. Pi Network is still in beta testing, which means that it's not yet available on major cryptocurrency exchanges. However, the team behind Pi Network is working hard to develop partnerships and integrations that will help make it more widely accepted in the future. In conclusion, Pi Network is a new and exciting cryptocurrency that's worth checking out. It's designed to be accessible to everyone, and it's built on a social network that makes it easy to invite friends and family to join the community. If you're interested in learning more about Pi Network or joining the community, be sure to download the app and start mining today.